Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing the latest RAEGR Airshots 500. So guys, here's the box and this is the entire packaging. On the front we have the RAEGR branding. On the right side it says Airshots 500, that's the model number. Now it is a truly wireless stereo earbuds and that's a quick preview. And at the bottom it says IPX7, that's waterproof or water resistance. And finally it even has Bluetooth 5.0 support, so that's pretty cool. Now on the left side we have just some support information. On the right side we have the main highlighting features, that's truly wireless stereo, auto pairing, in-ear design, it can be used for calls and music, and finally it has high capacity charging case. By the way, this earbuds come with fast charging support and can be completely charged from 0 to 100% in just 1 hour. So that's a pretty great thing. Now let me just unbox it. By the way, on the box it's priced at 4,000 rupees, but currently it's being sold at 3,000 rupees on GreedyTech website. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Now let's go on with unboxing. It's a pretty simple packaging, but I wish they put some kind of a seal on it. And now it's done. Let me open it up. So guys, first we have the charging case itself, and this is how it looks like. Let me just put that aside for now. Next we have probably a charging cable. Now ear tips and a charging cable, and finally we have some documentation. Now let me just open it up. So guys, this is the box. Initial impressions, it kind of feels cheap, especially when we compare to the Redmi AirDots, I mean the charging case. Anyway, now let's have a quick physical overview. So the top part of the charging case is made of a transparent plastic material, and the bottom part is made of a hard plastic for just some extra drop protection, I guess. And on the front it is pretty much the plain with a small notch over here to remove the top lid. On the right side it is a micro USB charging port to charge the charging case itself. At the bottom it is completely plain. On the back once again it's plain, and interestingly on the left side we have a full-sized USB port. Now this charging case can also be used as a regular power bank using this USB port. Now that's a pretty unique feature that I haven't seen in any other charging case. Now once we open this lid, this is what we look at. At the top it is the display, and at the bottom we have the Airshots. Now once you remove them, they automatically pair with each other and they'll blink blue LED light for a few milliseconds. Once it stops blinking, it means these two Airshots are paired to each other. Now let's have a closer look at these buds. These are the buds themselves, and on the back we have the charging ports and an engraving that says left and right. Now right over here there are two holes, that's probably for microphone. At the top they have the RAEGR branding, and below that we have the buttons. This one is for the right earbud and this one is for the left earbud. And they have a nice clicky sound to them, but I wish the entire area was a button, just like with the AirDots. Now these are the Airshots. Now let me just put them back and you'll see something interesting. So this is the right one. And there you go, that's the display glowing up. So when these Airshots are charging, they give out a red color LED, and that's how they look. And at the center it says 87, that's the charging percentage of the charging case itself. And on the left side and right side we have charging indication for both the earbuds. By the way, this charging case can charge the Airshots or the earbuds 12 times completely. That's from 0 to 100% 12 times. So if you're a normal user, you can probably use this Airshots for more than a month with just a single charge. That's another selling point for these Airshots. Now normally when we remove these earbuds out of the box, they should pair with each other automatically. But for some reason, if that doesn't happen, you need to press and hold these buttons. Now as you can see on the right one, we can see blue and red light flickering. It means both the earbuds are paired to each other, and now they are ready to pair with other device. Now to pair these Airshots to a phone, you just need to switch on Bluetooth on your phone. You'll find RAEGR AS500. Just tap on it and it'll connect to the earbuds. Now coming to functionality, you can press the right button twice to skip to the next song or video. You can press the left button to skip to the previous song. You can press the right button thrice to increase the volume. In the same way, we can press the left button thrice to decrease the volume. For calls, you can click it once to answer the call and click it again to end the call. Now once you're done using these Airshots, you can just place them back in the charging case and they'll turn off automatically. For some reason, if they don't turn off automatically, like mine, press and hold the right button until the light turns off and put it back inside the case. So guys, these are the RAEGR Airshots. If you like them and want to know more about them, link for that is in the description. Do check it out. If you have any questions about this product or want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Be lazy, be greedy.